How to fix login error in hotels.com. First, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to your internet connection. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. However, about the login issues, simply go to your settings. Scroll down and click on General and click on iPhone Storage. After that, you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the hotels.com application. Click on Show All. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again. Simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its data and documents. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the app, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.